Hey guys, what's up and welcome to today's video. I am super excited because for you guys today, I have yet again another holiday 2020 advent calendar. This one is from Sephora. This is the Wild Wishes 24 Days of Surprises holiday advent calendar for 2020. Before we jump into this, I just want to say it feels so good to be back. I have missed you guys so much. I haven't uploaded as much as I normally would, as much as I would want to, and I am going to address all that. There are a ton of awesome changes coming to this channel. Big things are to come. I am going to be uploading a get ready with me style video, kind of going over everything. It's super exciting and I can't wait to share it with you guys. But nonetheless, we are focusing on this beautiful package here today. We're going to go through this bad boy. We're going to see what is inside. I'm going to let you know if it is worth it. You can purchase this right now as we speak from the Sephora website. Now, one thing that I mentioned in my NYX advent calendar unboxing, if you haven't checked that out, I will link it in the description box below or pin it in a comment down below. But Sephora did the same thing. You can actually see what's inside the box by looking at the back, and I have been trying my damn hardest to avoid that. I want to be surprised, and I want to be surprised on camera with you guys. So let's just dive into this. Let us see what is in this box, and let's see if it is worth the price tag. I have my scissors ready this time so that I can cut the tape at the top of this, which is keeping it nice and sealed. I do want to mention that I don't believe that you can get this in stores, by the way. I did purchase mine from the Sephora website. Here's what the inside looks like. Wow, okay, I wasn't expecting this. This is flippin' massive. Look at this. This is all like one piece. I don't even know if I'm getting this all in the frame, but this is huge and this is beautiful packaging and it smells really good on the inside. So I don't know if there's like a perfume or a body fragrance on the inside, but I'm definitely picking up some scents. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Where is number 1 on this? Weird, these aren't even in order. Look at this. We have number 1, number 3, number 24. All right, well, let's start off with number 1. The first thing we have is a nail polish Sephora brand. This is in the shade It Girl. This is really cute. Look at this. And I do love a good red nail polish, perfect for the holidays. I've never tried Sephora's nail polish formula. Obviously, as I'm unboxing, if you guys have tried any of this stuff, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. But I can honestly say I've never tried any of their nail lacquers. This is really cute packaging. It's like a little egg, and I think the color looks really pretty. So not bad. I'm just hoping that this box isn't full of nail polish. I like nail polish, but I don't love it. All right, moving on to door number 2. Right here on the side, we've got a hair clip. Okay then. A little tiny hair claw. I don't know how I feel about this. Okay, moving on. Not much to say about that. Number 3 is right here on the front. And it looks like we have some skincare from the Sephora brand. This is their Bright Skin Exfoliating Scrub. It looks like it has volcanic sand. So obviously this is like a little travel trial size of this product. I've tried some stuff from the Sephora skin line and I can't say that I love it. I've actually ended up returning a lot of it because it is so extremely fragranced. I have sensitive skin and my skin doesn't love it. So, all right, we're not off to the best start, but let's keep going. I'm hoping that it gets better. Where is number 4 on this? God, they really make you hunt for everything on this box. Oh, and we have a single shadow. Now, this is a product that I am happy to get. This is in the shade Girl Night Out. It's just like kind of like a gold shade. Let's go ahead and open it up and swatch it. I'm just gonna show you guys one more up close so you can see it in the pan. It is like a mini size pan. Swatch is quite nice. It almost feels like a gel type formula. Ooh, yeah. That's really pretty. I love warm gold shadows. My goodness, in the viewfinder. Dang, girl, that is a really pretty shadow. Okay, so at least they've redeemed themselves with that. Moving on to where is door number 5, right here on this side. And this time we have, what is this? A Let's Have Fun Fizzing Star. So it must be some sort of bath salt. That smells like straight laundry detergent. I don't know how much I'm gonna like something like this in the bath. Some of this stuff I might save for like stocking stuffers, people who might like something like this. That's kind of the cool thing about these advent calendars. If you get a box, you just open it all right away. You know, obviously if you're not using it for its actual purpose, which is opening up one door every day until the 24th of December. But that's kind of the cool thing. You can give stuff away. This is just really fragranced. Again, I'm beating a dead horse. I don't love fragranced products. Okay. God, I can't get over how much it smells like laundry detergent or like a dryer sheet, but nonetheless, let's keep it moving. Let's go on to day number 6. This guy right here, I'm hoping that this is some sort of lipstick or something fun, and it is not. We have some cucumber eye masks from the Sephora brand. You do get 1 pair in here. I love eye masks, but my under eye area, I am prone to hormonal dermatitis. I've talked about this in my videos before, but I have to be very careful with the products that I put on my under eyes. This is supposed to be soothing and depuffing, and they're mostly made out of aloe juice. So these I might be able to get down with, and I lied. I see fragrance in it, but hopefully it's not too intense. These I am still willing to try, and I'm actually a bit excited about that. All right, what are we on now? Day number 7. I'm still trying to get a hang of where everything is. All right, this one down here. Looks like we have an eyeliner or a lip liner. What is this? This is an eye pencil to go, one of their mini crayons, and this is in the shade Intense Black. I love black pencil liners, so this is a product that I am happy to see in the calendar. Let's see how well it works. And it's got a pretty nice, soft, matte, rich formula. Awesome. I like having this, and I like getting mini sizes because it's hard for me to go through all of my makeup, so that's really cute. All right, moving on to day number 8, which is on the front of the box here. Looks like we have another Sephora skincare product. This is their hyaluronic acid all-day hydrator. It says hydrate and glow. So we've got another little mini size right here. Doesn't have any scent, which is nice. I'm gonna try just a little bit on the back of my hand just to kind of get an idea of what this feels like. Very lightweight. Definitely feels very good. Super hydrating without feeling too heavy. This I actually really look forward to trying. Again, it doesn't smell very fragranced at all. I'm picking up a little bit of something in it, but nothing too insane. So this is another win. We're going to put that in the win pile of things. All right, let's go ahead and move on to day number 9, which is on this side of the box. We have another nail polish, but this one is really gorgeous. This is definitely my speed. This is in the shade Enchanted World. It's kind of just like a sheer, nudie, almost kind of pink champagne shade with a ton of micro reflex of glitter in it. This is a gorgeous nail polish shade. For sure excited about this. What I like about nail polish shades like this is obviously a given. You can put this on your nails. It doesn't look too tacky when it starts to chip because I'm pretty lazy when it comes to my nails and my hair. Every once in a blue moon, you guys will catch me with my nails done. But this is definitely a thoughtless type color shade product. You can just pop this on the nails and you can wear it for a really long time without it looking too crappy if it chips. So this is a beautiful shade. That's definitely going to go into the good pile. All right, we are on to day number 10. Right here on the front. And in here we have, oh, this is kind of cool. We have some instant nail polish remover wipes with white peach extract. This is definitely something I'd be interested in trying out. I don't paint my nails a ton, but when I do, it is nice to have a quick way to remove them. The only issue with products like this is depending on what they are made out of, obviously you can cause a lot of waste. They don't break down too well in landfills. So I try to be careful with stuff like this and becoming too reliant on products that just offer straight up convenience. But then again, when you remove nail polish, you end up using cotton balls or tissue or something anyways. So I know that breaks down easier, but I'll have to look into seeing what these are made of and if they do break down, whatnot. You guys get the drift. All right, moving on to day number 11. We've got that one right here on the front. And we have a little Sephora Wild Wishes little mirror right here. Okay, to me, this just seems like, again, another filler item along with this hair clip right here. I'll be honest, it's kind of stupid. It's gonna go in kind of the want pile. So mirror can join the hair clip over there. Let's go ahead and move on to day number 12. We have a charcoal nose strip. Now, the old me would love a product like this. The new skincare obsessed person is going to give this a hard pass. These are so harsh on the skin. They disrupt your protective layer. I just don't love products like this. The charcoal in it, I don't think is really going to do much. Most of the time when you remove these, yes, you're going to see something come up, but a lot of the times you're just really pulling away that very fine top layer of your skin, hairs, that sort of thing. I just really try to to avoid products like this. So that's going to be a no from me. Let's see, what are we on to right now? I think we're on to day number 13. We have another little fizzy bath star. This one is called Moonlight Swim. Wow. Okay, this is definitely what I could this is definitely what I could smell when I opened the box. Wow, that smells like straight up men's cologne. It actually smells like a cologne that my husband likes to wear. It's like a deodorant body spray from Bath and Body Works. I think it's called Freshwater. Whoa. Holy shit, you guys. Oh, that is really strong. Okay. That's it for that. Let's go ahead and move on to day number 14 right here. We have from Sephora, this is their Zinc Micellar Water. I actually purchased this and this irritated the living crap out of my skin. Hard pass. This actually makes any kind of sensitivity on my skin act up. It causes dry spots for me. It is so incredibly fragranced. This product is a hard pass. So we're going to go ahead and move that little guy over there. Let's see. We are on to day number 15. We're back to the side of the box. Back to the side of the box. This is one of the Sephora brand creamy body washes in Lagoon. I can honestly say I've never tried any of their body washes before, but this just looks like a little mini sample size. You guys, now that we're getting this far into the box, I have to say the only things that I'm truly excited about in this box is the nail polishes, that eyeshadow, the liner, and the little mini face moisturizer. But I have yet to really get a full-size product. I don't even know if this is a full-size nail polish. You guys, again, let me know in the comments. I do believe that there is a full size of this. Maybe I'm wrong, but I can't believe I haven't gotten an actual like full size product. Maybe this single shadow is, but again, it just feels kind of small. I don't know, but so far this box for me is, I have to be honest, a little bit of a disappointment. So anyways, we will continue. Let's go ahead and see what's behind door number 16. What does it have in store for us? Hopefully something good. We have another Sephora mask, but this is a Shea lip mask. Okay. This one might be kind of nice. In the wintertime, your lips can get obviously really dry. We all deal with that. But this might be kind of cool. I haven't really tried a whole lot of lip masks before, so this one, all right, I can give it a half of a thumbs up. It's pretty cool. You do only get one inside, but we're going to go ahead and put that in the good pile. We'll give them a win for that one. All right, number 17. We are still on the side of the box here. Finally, a full-size product. At least I think this is a full-size product. Yes, we have one of the Sephora Lip Stories in the shade Spring Break. I absolutely love this lipstick formula. I am so happy that we have this in here. Let's take a look and see. This is the Satin Cream formula. This is a beautiful, beautiful, very wearable nude shade that will work on pretty much any skin tone. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Gorgeous. Yes, that is any skin tone friendly, just a perfect mid-tone kind of mauvey nude lipstick. Absolutely gorgeous. Again, like I said, I love this formula. So far, this is the best thing, the very best thing that has been in this advent calendar. All right, let's see. What are we on to now? Number 18, which is on the other side. Okay, seriously, you guys. We have one of those little telephone cord springy hair binder things. Really? Oh my goodness. All right. I'm just not going to say anything. Let's go ahead and move on and see what's under door number 19. We've got another one of these little creamy body wash pods, I would call it. This is in cotton. I'm still smelling it. I swear, you guys, everything in this box smells like this fizzing bath star. That's how strong that is. Anyways, so here is that. A little creamy body wash pod. All right, let's move on to number 20. We're still on the same side. Oh, okay. Yay, another good product. We have one of the full-size coconut lip balms. All right, this is another good product. Smells so good. I've actually tried this before. This is super nourishing on the lips. It's just like a clear, super conditioning lip balm. Y'all know I love my lip balms. Or maybe you don't, but if you don't, I love my lip balms. I have lip balms all over my house, in every single purse, any kind of receptacle I have that carries anything in it. I have at least one lip balm in it. So I'm happy to see that. That's super fun and exciting. Now we're back to the front for number 21 and number 22. Let's take a look. And number 21 is a little hokey little nail file. All right, let's see what's behind number 22. We have another nose mask. This is the pineapple nose mask. Another one of those peeling, extracting masks that I don't love. Let's just move on from that. Let's see, what are we on? Number 23. They better lead us out of this with a bang. Let's see what's in number 23. Another freaking hair thing. Are you kidding me right now? 2 of these? Okay, you guys look at this. This was like the cheapest, just crappiest hair stuff I've ever seen. I'm sorry. This feels so cheap. And what am I going to do with one of these? Like, this is tiny. What am I going to do with that? These, I never use these, but my mom loves these things and so does my sister, so maybe I'll give those to her. Let's go ahead and move on to door number 24. This is the last one. We have a Sephora cream lip stain. This is in the shade 01. It's just like a classic red liquid lip. I love my red liquid lips. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch. This just looks like a beautiful, perfect, straight up red shade. Ooh, the formula seems really nice. Look how opaque. That is a beautiful shade. So at least they ended with a bang. Let's go ahead and do a quick recap, although I'm pretty sure you're probably assuming what I'm thinking about this box. So the red lipstick, the coconut balm, the Sephora lip story, as well as the gold shadow, this fun nude nail color, and then the eyeliner. These are the products that, to me, really saved the box. The rest of this stuff is just okay, but these, let's see, these 6 products right here are the ones that I enjoy the most. Stuff that I'm kind of like, okay, I'd like to try that would be the All Day Hydrating Face Moisturizer, the nail polish remover pads, the Shea Butter lip mask. This seems nice. The rest of this stuff though, the red nail polish, she's cute. I like red nail polish. I can definitely find a home for this. You guys, like, really, come on, Sephora. I mean, these tiny little hokey samples of cream body wash, the little hair ties, this guy, the nail polish. I mean, it's cute. Obviously, it's cute. It is kind of on par with an advent calendar. It's just that this stuff, especially like this, and this, and especially the mirror, you guys, the mirror. What does this give me here? What does this even tell me? Like, this isn't, it's not allowing me to try product. It's not enticing me to try a product from the Sephora line. It would have been so nice to get more of, like, maybe some more lip glosses, some more lip products, some more single shadows, maybe a lip liner. Their lip liner formula is fantastic. Maybe even like a little mini like makeup brush, something more, a pair of Sephora lashes. They have such a wide variety of really good products. I'm just kind of shocked that this is kind of what they chose to put in this advent calendar. I have to be honest with you guys. I don't think that this one is worth it. I would definitely pass on this one. While it is beautiful, the box is absolutely stunning. I just can't justify the money that I just spent on this. I can't. The NYX Diamond and Ice advent calendar that I unboxed recently, 100% worth it. The box that they did last year was amazing. They really curated a super fun, awesome advent calendar. Leave me your thoughts down below. Did you pick up this calendar? What do you feel about all of these holiday advent calendars that these brands seem to launch? I do have one more on the way. I picked up the Look Fantastic advent calendar. That one was so spendy. I want to say I spent like $110 on that one. So that one better be freaking good. I'm expecting to be blown away by that one. I hope it makes up for this mess that we just dealt with here. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course, please be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.